met another pastor from the AOG, and he was telling me about USP and how great it is here, so I asked if I can try it out here. I'm studying math, bio, and English. I'm trying to get all my credits here and then go back to America and graduate there.
It's really good. It provides a lot of opportunities, and getting a degree from there, I learned a lot. I was able to, when I come back here, I'm also tutoring in biology, preliminary biology, and it comes easy because doing my degree in USP, I learned a lot from there.
I want to assure all those graduating today that your degrees are as good as those of Australia and New Zealand and international universities, and are recognized by them.
USP is the highest level schooling here in Tonga.
Bachelor of Arts in the Environmental Study, Bachelor of Agriculture in the USP, Social Science.
There are two different intakes. We have the school leavers who come in to LLF 11, and then they come in with Form 6 and Form 7 results. So they're a little bit different from the students that we get coming into the degree program and taking UU 114. Some might be quite proficient in one skill, like in reading, but are quite poor in others, like writing. So, and some of them are quite fluent speakers, but they can't really write as well as they should be, or writing at the level that they should be writing at.
The students at the foundation level, they are just finished from high school. So most of them, they get used to being helped out by their teachers. And coming to the university way of study, I think we still need to guide them slowly to the change. Because I can see if they do like that in Tonga, just from the high school to Tonga Campus, with that sudden change of environment of study, I think if they go from Tonga to Lautala, for example, they need it to be helped out slowly.
I like the motto because for us, the student, it is easy for us to access, especially our notes during the week. Every week, we do have a note, and that's how we like. I like Moodle.
I prefer a blended mode. I think from experience, I believe that it's this flexibility in delivery that improves learning best, for students.
Moodle is helpful very much because you have to easy to access on it, and also to upload it any notes in the Moodle.
They are getting more and more comfortable with technology, with more exposure, to the use of the computer and the internet. And I really believe that in the near future, the students in the regional campuses will also prefer the use of online learning.
Studying Moodle because it's easy to access, and it's fast to download, upload our assignments, and also our mid-test, etc. Things like that.
The numbers of students enrolling here at the USP, it's increasing each year and each semester. So probably by next year, there's going to be a lot more, because students are more interested in the way we study the way they study here. They're just coming here, take their courses, and then after class they go back. And there's no uniforms to wear. They're free to do whatever they want. I wanted to come back and work, but when I had the opportunity to come work here, I really liked it because I wanted to give back to the school that I got my degree from.
University of the Pacific Tonga,
We have so many opportunities from preliminary and also for foundation. And for those who are in the college, in the high school, I think if you can make it for the high school, College of Foundation will welcome you in the future.
Tonga koe a kombolotu. Pea koe mea ko hoko hei aho ni he whakmata e tohi o ne tala mai pe o ku tuwha tawataina tale nitia o tua i he ako. Pea ko tau whatongia ki whakaonga e whainga mali, whakawhi e atu ku mautolu. Mako pe polo kalama i tongani. Ke lama e ako, hange koe polo kalama e PA. Pea e tokon lahi e ki he langa e kuonga honono. Tupo wono, ke tatako investi, ma ko tau toke tau tuu hako popo. Tawani ai mai mua ko i tongani ta pua ki amata malo.
Whalo to lahi pe ki e tamai ki ria hona ko tau pe i tongani. Ta tau pe i wawa o mea ko whalo to lahi ke mo o maa ako i USP. Ko USP ko e ako maunga tahaia i he university hia i tongani. Pa ko whalo to lahi ka te mo tolu. Ka pa te mo mai o ako i USP e lawa ke mao mo ngahi ngā welele mo tuunga o toi maalunga angi. Pako i USP ni, ia lawa pe i he ngahi whaunga ke ototongi ai ngahi ako. Ka lawa ke mo, ka pau ia ha ngahi whaingata a whae paanga ki totongi ako, e lawa pe e USP staff mo e tale ki ta o toko nii ki mo tolu ke mo lawa o a o mao ha ngahi ako tuunga lelei.
Ko whalotola he pen kia te mo tolu whanga toko ua whanga tonga ane ki te ikai ke mo te kia ke mo pepepeu ke osmai me he korisi. Ko USP o ku ka opita apiako ko ni i he sai opito i he whenga ako. Whaingo fua e tau whenga ako ta te whitu ke kapau ko tau tau i he mala e koe akademika. Whai atamai o whalotola he mo tolu ki mo rawa mai o ako USP. Ngahi nau, ngahi resources o ako o ku Oktogone au pita ta whenga ko kia taha pena e university. Lelei taha i Pasifiki.
We are very proud of our campus in Tonga. It is one of our larger campuses outside Fiji. Since 2008, enrollments have grown by an impressive 63%, with an average growth of 13%. This kind of growth, combined with the relocation of the Institute of Education from Suva to our campus here, we are therefore very grateful to the government of Tonga for the land that it has so graciously given, that will allow us to expand our facilities.